For the first month, I will charge $500.
I'm paying you the 500 the first month.
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, because I understand that you need more work, for the 500 for the first month,
Yes.
totally. But let's put it a fee, and also, yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm fine, and you? How's everything?
I'm also good.
Okay. So let me tell you what happened. He sold the company to me. The website.
Yes.
So, but I want to have the same marketing that he was doing. So he told me, hey, I have a marketer in India. That is good, and I can see that you have. I think you have access to the website, so I can re-give it to you access. So what I would like to do is to set up the marketing, for the website.
Yeah, I was the marketer, and I and Federico do both working on this site, both planning, and we generate last. You have the data. We generate almost on like euro.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we both work from the beginning. He's good.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
today he also messaged me because I am also look after his another business right now.
yeah.
So he messaged me, Abu, I sell my company to another one, and he also need the marketing service.
Yeah,
So
Abu. Also, I'm gonna have more online assets, that I want you to handle it, and I think I'm gonna have access tomorrow. So I would like to start also working with you. So that's okay.
yeah, we can start, but I can remember the ad account. You don't get ad account access because he will not give you because this is his property, the ad account. If we run to advertisement in Meta, we need Facebook ad account, Facebook Business Manager, Facebook Pixel. So it's not possible to sell. So you need
Yeah, no.
you
I
need to
can give
create
you.
from your side from the beginning.
No, I think I have access. The only thing is I can give it to you access to the Meta section.
Yeah,
The
you
Meta
have
business.
you have just the page access. You
Yeah.
have the page access, but you don't have the ad account access. Ad account is different. How you will pay the Google, Facebook if you run ads, and also need a pixel. Pixel means if someone came our website, we need to track their data. If someone make purchase from our website, we need to track this data. We need to send this data to our Meta platform. Otherwise, Meta will
Yeah.
think our product is not good. That's why people are not buying, and it's called
Okay.
blind marketing. So definitely we need to pixel. So I also talked to Federico. Hey, you sell the whole thing? So he told, no, it's my property. Yeah, that's his property. He cannot sell it. So you need to create from your side. He also told me, yeah, you need to set up everything. I just sell the website and the page and Instagram. Just 3 things he
Okay.
said. Right? Maybe.
So let's do something, Abu. Let me how much is gonna be a setup, for all those things. You tell me, hey, I need access to this, that, and I can give it to you, and also to start with the other e-commerce that I'm having, so we can work on those
Yeah,
all
we
together.
can watch that. For the first month, I will charge $500.
I'm paying you the 500 the first month.
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, because I understand that you need more work, for the 500 for the first month,
Yes.
totally. But let's put it a fee, and also, that's okay when we are recurring, and also a performing fee. So if we are selling X, I can share some profit with you. I'm okay. As soon as the website is selling what's supposed to sell, like a $6,000-7,000 per month. I don't have any problem to negotiate a fee every month for you and your team.
Yeah. That's also good.
So do you prefer to do it, in Fiverr, or do you prefer in another way?
No, like Fiverr is safe. We will work from Fiverr. You understand?
No worries. So please send it to me, the gig. Something, I'm gonna contact you. Hey, I don't know this.
No
Please tell me
problem.
how to do it. Okay?
Anytime, if just message me. Sometime
Okay.
maybe your country and my country time zone is different. Maybe it
No
can be delayed,
worries.
but I am always active actually in USA time.
No worries.
So yeah, no
Okay,
problem. You will
perfect.
get me always.
So let's start with the 500. Let's see how we are working
Yeah,
together,
yes.
and let's see
Let's see
next
what we
month.
can do. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect, man.
Perfect. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.